What's up, guys? Right now my voice fucked up because I was at the A Boogie concert in Philly. I live in Philly yesterday. But I'm here because today we're going to make this bitch loud. We're going to get a Resonator and a mid-muffler delete. Well, it's also a mid-muffler. Whatever the fuck you call it. I'm going to straight pipe the motherfucker and leave the cats on. Whatever the fuck them name is. But we on our way there and shit. You know, in Black Widow, the RT. I sold my V6, the 2015 dog nose and shit. Little POV drive, feel me? Before we get there, I know y'all hear that thing, but it's about to be thinging soon. It might be a problem soon. But I'll get back with y'all when I'm on the highway. Nah, we just got to the shop. I ain't been here in so long, bro. They really upgraded, bro. You see that? They really upgraded, bro. You should be just... Hold on, let me show you. Damn, they really upgraded, bro. Now they got the whole section. I used to remember they just used to do like 2 cars at a time. You see my baby right there looking all sexy and shit. I know you see the other joint, but I ain't sexy like my baby, so we gonna keep on walking. I got like 2 cars in front of me though, to be here. That's how it used to be. And it just used to be like, to that car, to that black car, that was the whole garage. Like, this shit wasn't big. And now they empty out the whole section. That's good for them though. Hope this shit don't take long. But I gotta get the fuck out of here early, bro. On my soul. This is before again. Take off down. About to make this bitch loud. No motherfuckers going to 260. I ain't gonna put no tips on because I don't got the diffuser. Once I get the diffuser, I'm gonna put some tips on. Until then, I'm gonna be without tips. It's gonna be just like that, just pipe, straight pipe. Fuck it. that bitch. That SRT 8, yeah. Big brain balls. Don't play with it. Big brain balls. You better go crazy. You gotta go crazy.
I wish I was going
that way. Real shit.
Yeah, it would have been better going
just turn around.
That's what I'm about to do.
Just turn around. He fucked you up.
Tú vas a hacer aquí. I'm sorry, but when I'm finished, you can take any picture you want, but I don't like nobody taking pictures.
I was too broke to buy tips. They told my 80 a tip, bro. I'm not doing it, bro. AutoZone was worried over the tips because I got to buy a diffuser. Wait until you hear this motherfucker, man. 80 a tip, you crazy. The AutoZone, I'm going to come right back and put them on. Then I just sound mean as a bitch. About to sound mean as fuck, bro. I tell you. This is a V6, by the way. This is V8. We're not the same. We not the same, nigga. Respect my gangster, nigga. It's Black Widow in the section, you heard? You hear that, motherfucker? We just got it done. I'm gonna do a little quick pull real quick. That bitch sound mean. Come on. KR. Bitches that love me. KR, come on. Drum. Quick little pull real quick. Speed bump. Speed bump, KR. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. KR. Oh no. That bitch so mean as a... KR. I need to be on the highway, bro. I need to cut up on the highway, bro. Yeah, cut up on the highway, bro. This joint. KR, KR, KR. KR, KR, KR. Oh Lord. KR. KR. I'm about to hop on the highway. KR. Bitches. This is a lumber. Oh. KR. KR, bro. Let me put that bitch in sport. Hold up. Hold up. KR. That joke. That joke pulling like a bitch. Like a bitch. I pull the windows down. We gonna hear that motherfucker. Lucky I'm at the light right now. Fuck that light. We on the highway. Fuck that light. KR, we about to do the craziest pulls, man. I want you to hear this shit, dog. Snoop Dogg, you know, it's the Debo Double G, Snoop Dogg. The pulls is insane, bro. This thing hit the highway. I think we on the highway. I don't know if this the police or the highway cut up. I don't know if this. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Should I cut up? Can't really hear it. Too much weight. Can't really hear the motherfucker, bro. Yo, that's the head, bro. Just left the highway, we back on the road. Oh my God, I'm breaking the law. I'm breaking the law. About to die and shit. There go the police, yeah. Let me see how it sound like in nature. Oh, that thing nasty, bro. That thing nasty, bro. That thing. Can I say that lady like me? Oh, I know you like me. Told you I break it the law, the police have to be. There it is. Catch me, boy. I'm in that toy right now. I'm in that yak. I'm in that yak. Can't wait to get it scared, man. Y'all gonna see something, man. I'm gonna really haul that bitch. I'm gonna do burnouts every day. I know I'm burning gas, but I gotta hear this motherfucker every time. Every time. I don't got no fucking voice, man. I sound like a goblin. Why she wanna eat like that? Why she eating like? Ooh, bitch, I'm at the raw. I'm missing my life, bro. You see that, Jill, bro? I'm missing my life, bro. Old gangster now. What's up, Tom? Work with them, bro. I'm breaking the law every time, bro. I'm in that fast car, bro. What I'm gonna break the law? I'm gonna break the law. I made my turn. I made my turn. I know that quarterback bad as shit at me right now. You can't even see it. I know it's bad as shit at me right now. I made my turn though. You did. Whistle all day, bro. Yeah, why that thing wanna whistle all day, bro? Whistle. All the requests, but I be driving all slow. This car, oh my god, bro. Don't make me break the law, bro. Please get the fuck out of my too much gap in that sauce. Before I miss my turn, I gotta chill. Before I miss my turn. I'm using GPS on my phone and shit. On my watch and shit. Can't go to police, see? That's why I gotta chill now. That bus ain't catching me. They go to police now. That's why I gotta chill. 100 feet. I'm looking at my watch. Ooh, bro. Why she talking to me like that? Nah. We in a white people community. This is a POV drive, man. This is that little muffler, that resonator, that exhaust. I'ma pull it at this light. Let's see how everybody feel about it. I'ma pull it at this light. I think I slipped the police. They ain't nowhere to be around. They ain't no more go to police on me, but fuck it, I'ma pull it at this light. I'm like, they're gonna be like, everybody gonna be like, oh shit, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? He's shooting! Yeah, my voice really sound like a motherfucking goblin, nigga. Never gonna tell God saying you heard. Whoa. Come on, get the fuck out of my way. My foot on the thing, bow. Pause. Bow, we're bragging. Bow. Glop. Wow. Wow. Break the law. He say he breaking the law. I'ma pull it right here, bro. If this light don't hurry the fuck up. Oh my god. What is that? That is the monster. There's a man and a monster! About to die and shit. Try to take y'all to work with me. I'm out of cut. I'm about to get mad and break that law. I ain't even got enough footage, bro. Ooh, bro. Ooh. I'ma end the video here, guys. I'm getting close to my job. I can't. My niggas getting no where I work at, nigga. If I boom you, nigga. Even if you do know where I work at, nigga. That's that whistler. But yeah, we just got our our exhaust and our main muffler deleted. Straight pipe the whole joint. Only thing on here is our cats. Deuces from me and Black Widow.
Yeah.